Geis is a great guy. Oh, come on, Bert, you can say it.
Oh, Geis is an idiot. Geis is an idiot.
Now look, you stupid bird. Geis is gonna be here any minute. And you are going to say Geis is a great guy, or I'm gonna... Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. Just don't think he'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Okay. I love you, Bird.
Geis is an idiot. Geis is an idiot.
You see, Geis is here now. Probably have my job for this.
Oh, Geis is a great guy.
What did you say?
Oh, Geis is a great guy.
Oh, yes.
Great guy.
Yes, yes, yes! Well, Commissioner Geis, come in. How was your vacation, sir? Welcome back.
Winslow, have you ever spent any time alone with my wife?
Is that a trick question, sir?
Never mind. Just say I'm glad to be back in the line of fire.
Well, here's Andre. Happy, healthy, and was no trouble at all.
Well, thank you, Carl. You know, I don't really consider you a captain.
Thank you, sir.
You're more than that. Like a high-level subordinate. All right, Andre, hop up. Let's go home.
Oh, Geis is an idiot. Geis is an idiot.
I can explain that, sir.
There's nothing to explain.
Well, I'd like to try, sir, you see.
No, that's all right. My wife taught him to say that. She thinks it's hilarious.
Oh.
I don't.
Oh, no, not funny at all, sir.
I'll tell you the truth. Between you and me, sometimes Blanche can be a real pain in the butt.
Oh.
Oh, Blanche is a pain in the butt.
No.
Blanche is a pain in the butt.
Blanche is a great wife. Blanche is a great wife.